all, my name is Grace William Yanita. I am from 4B. Today I going to show you how to do the magic tube trick. So, to make the magic tube trick, I just need 2 pieces of card of the same color, some sticky tape, scissors, and some ribbons. So, the first thing to do is to roll the first piece of card into tube shape. And stick it down with a sticky tape. The second step is to roll the other piece of card into a cone shape. And stick it down with a sticky tape. Now, put the cone inside the tube. Cut the ends of the cone and stick the white end down. The last step is to hide some colored ribbons, the secret part. Abracadabra! Thank you everyone, bye bye!